Hello, I am Behzad. I'm a tailor. This jacket made to fit 34 chest. All these measurements are planned before work. This is a jacket reference. Pattern is made to create this shape. This is fabric layout. Fabric has checks. Pattern placement must match. Balance is important. This is the main jacket pattern. Back, top sleeve, front, undersleeve, facing, side panel, and all the pieces. And this is a lining. It's planned separately. This is my process. More videos coming. Thank you for watching.